Hello guys, today we're going to prepare some waffles. From this we need some ingredients that are a piece of butter, an apple, 4 strawberries, a banana, a fish, waffles flour, little oil, ice cream, a bag of milk, Nutella, and the cook materials are the waffle maker, a plate, a knife, a bowl, and a mixer. And first we need to put a cup of milk in the bowl. In the same bowl, we're going to put the flour. And finally, we're going to put a little of oil. And we're going to beat the mix until that have consistency. Then of this, we're going to preheat the waffle maker during 2 minutes. Then we're going to put some butter in the waffle maker. Next, we're going to put the mix in the waffle maker. And during the waffle is cooking, we're going to prepare the fruit from the. Next, we're going to chop the fruit. Now ready, the fruit are chopped. Oh, the waffle is ready. We're going to eggs. Okay, then now we're going to add the Nutella in the waffle, on the waffle. Next, we're going to put some pieces of fruit. And now we're going to put some pieces of banana. Apple, and finally of a strawberry. to finish the waffle, we need to add the ice cream ball. This is our delicious waffle. Bye bye. See you later.